everyone, welcome to That's Creative. Today we are going to make paper bags. So let's get started. The things you will need are take an A4 size paper of any color which you like and fold like this. Put glue over here and stick like this. Fold 3 centimeters from down and make triangles on both sides. Now fold them and stick them like this. Now turn it on the front side. Fold them 1 centimeter on both the edges. You can cut it in any size you want. Then use punching machine to punch holes for the handle. Now take 2 strips of ribbon for the handle. Now you can decorate it in any way you like. You can decorate the bag like this also. Another way of decorating the bag is by making a photo frame on it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video. Bye bye.